Good afternoon, all. In previous class, we had learned with the types of the muscles. We learned with the three types of the muscles: skeletal muscle, visceral muscles, and smooth muscle, cardiac muscles. Now here, you make a heading. In textbook, the heading is not given there. On the page number 304, first line, the heading is the structure of skeletal muscle. Here, so many points are there. Skeletal muscle, also known as striated muscle or stripped muscle. Okay. First of all, large muscle is there. Muscle consists muscle bundles. This is the muscle. Muscle consists muscle bundles or fascicles. Here, group of the muscle fibers. Muscle is made up of muscle fiber, muscle bundle, whatever you say that. It is covered by fascia. White cartilaginous part. Sorry, collagenous. Collagen made up of it. Collagen fibers. So very hard covering surrounding to the muscle bundle, that is fascia. So muscle consists muscle fibers or muscle bundle. Muscle bundles consist single muscle fiber. So this small portion look like this. muscle bundles are there. In muscle bundles, muscle bundle is there, and each muscle bundle consists the small fine myofibrils. See, muscle is made up of muscle bundles. Muscle bundles known as fascicle covered by fascia. Now muscle bundles are made up of muscle bundle, single word. Each muscle bundle is made up of the myofibril. So this is myofibril, and here in myofibril you see myofibril you see that alternatively dark band, light band, dark band, light band is there. Fine. When you see the light band and dark band here in detail, fine. So here see, this is the dark band, light band, dark band, light band and dark band, fine. So we will see this in detail in the next diagram, which I can draw it right now here. Here I had drawn actually three dark bands. Fine. Here this is the light band. At the center of it, one line is there. Here in this centermost portion is there. In this also middle line is there. Okay, and here one fiber is there. It is present in this way. This is the internal structure of the myofibril. Now we can label it, but before label it, I can clarify you that this is the dark band, light band, dark band, light band, like that. Fine. So muscle fiber is made up of myofibril, and myofibril is made up of alternatively dark and light band. So dark band is also known as A band. Why? Because here Dark band is known as A band. A band is known as anisotropic band. Anisotropic means here the vital index is different at a different area. Not a equal vital index. But after to the A band, the light band is known as I band. So you know that I band is known as isotropic band. Vital index is the same at all the planes, but in anisotropic band, vital index is different at the different plane. Dark band, A band, it is made up of two filaments. Initially in the diagram we had drawn that this is known as thick band. Or thick filament. Okay, and in between the two thick filament, single line is there known as thin filament. In our textbook, the information is not given in a proper way. Fine, because our muscles consist contractile protein. Our muscles consist from contractile proteins. So here actin and myosin. See, let me clarify this. Thick filaments made up of myosin named protein. Okay, thick filament is made up of myosin and thin filament is made up of actin, troponin and tropomyosin. We will move one step forward. Structure of this, fine, thick and thin filament, but I will take this in next lecture. But here only you consider these lines. So again, dark band is known as A band and light band is known as I band. Okay, in dark band alternatively thick and thin filaments are there. Fine. So thick filaments are made up of myosin named protein, whereas thin filament is made up of actin, troponin and tropomyosin. See, next, thick filament again. You see that A band dark band. Thick filaments are present only in A band. But at the center of it, see, the center of the A band, where thin filaments are absent, this is known as H zone or Hansen's zone, also known as H band. See, here I have written in this way that thick filaments are only present in A band and H band. The center of the A band, that is known as H band, but H band is what? H band is defined as the center of the A band where thin filaments are absent. Center of A band where thin filaments are absent. This is known as H band or Hansen's zone. Okay, so thin filaments are only present in, here I had done the mistake that thin filaments are present in A band as well as I band. Thin filaments which are present in A band and I band, but absent in H band. See, single line, thin filaments. Thin filaments are present in A band and I band also, but absent in the H zone. The center of the H zone, that consists the line known as M line, middle line. Okay, the center line of the H zone known as M line. The center line of the I band, this is known as Z line. So here Z line, it's also known as Z band, also known as Krauss membrane. Okay. Again, dark band known as A band. Why it is known as A band? We had discussed that. Light band is known as I band. Why it is I band? We had discussed it. A band is made up of thick and thin filaments, both. Fine. So thick filaments are made up of myosin and thin filaments are made up of actin, troponin and tropomyosin. So thin filaments are present in A band as well as I band, but thin filaments are absent in the center. Thin filaments are absent in the center of the H band. That region is known as H zone or Hansen's zone, or we say that H band. And the center of the H band known as M line. The middle line in the I band known as Z line. So Z line is known as Z band or Krauss membrane. Fine. Between two successive Z line, okay, so between the two successive Z line, the small fragment is known as sarcomere. Okay, so at one place you write that sarcomere, the region between two successive Z line. Okay, so here I can write the meaning of it. The region between the two successive Z lines known as sarcomere, and sarcomere is made up of center 1A band and periphery 2 half I bands. When you properly observe it, the sarcomere is made up of whole A band and center side half I bands are there. So the region between the two successive Z line, that is known as sarcomere. And one more else point, sarcomere, for that, here I can write that sarcomere is structural and functional unit of the skeletal muscle. So see, sarcomere, so many sarcomere. Yes, this is A band here, I band now here. Here Z line is there, and here next to that I band is there. Z line is here. So many sarcomeres joined together and form the myofibril. Fine. So what is sarcomere? Let me explain here. I can label it between this line and this line, this region is known as sarcomere. So sarcomere is structural and functional unit of the skeletal muscle, as well as sarcomere is made up of centermost part walled A band and laterally two half I bands, and in this way the sarcomere join together and form the myofibril. So many myofibril join together form the muscle bundle. So many muscle bundle join together form the muscle bundles, and muscle bundles join together and form the skeletal muscle. Okay. So here this is the structure of the skeletal muscle.